Hi, my name's Giles and I'm studying computer graphics at UEA and I'm currently in my final year. I chose to study my course at UEA because I've always known that I wanted to do computer science, and so when looking around for universities I found out that UEA is quite high on the league tables, especially in computer science, and I organised a meeting with all the lecturers and discussed a bit more about the course, and when we met we definitely sort of connected there, and I definitely felt that we understood what each other was talking about, and at that point I felt UEA was definitely the right choice for me in terms of universities. I think one of the best parts about my time at UEA is the opportunities that it gives me, and especially with my internship that I got with UEA, I feel that it's definitely an area I wouldn't be able to pursue otherwise, and it definitely opens up a lot of opportunities and paths for people to walk down while here. I've recently started an internship with UEA, which is independent of my studies, which I pursued separately, and it allows me to sort of pursue a bit of research I've been really interested in. And we're processing speech through neural networks to put them into a game engine and then to map that onto a 3D animated character, mainly for games and different animations. And it's a really cool piece of research that I'm happy to be part of. I feel in 10 years' time, I'll either be sort of in industry, in either the games industry or animation industry, as a technical artist, a technical director, hopefully in a larger games industry or something like that, or either pursuing research further into neural networks, which I'm really interested in. It's something I really want to try and pursue further, and either path, research or industry, might let me lead me down that route.